We're in Berlin, our first morning.
Potsdam.
Potsdam!
Damn the pot.
Damn the pot! It seems ironic. Anyways, this
Got me through yesterday.
Yeah, he did get Ag through it yesterday. We're at Brianna's flat. It's pretty little small. I'll show you our sleeping arrangement real quick. This is the kitchen. It's kind of cool. Nice, yeah. Aaron on the computer. That's the hallway. And this is our sleeping area. Right there. I got green, Ag's got pink. Sort of thing.
Salmon!
Salmon! Here's Bree's bedroom. Gorgeous. It's got a sweet terrace, I guess. It's really cold out, so we haven't been outside, but it's quite warm. I slept pretty well. Ag said his bed was kind of uncomfortable, but he chose the one with the most blankets, so that's what he gets. Anyways, tschüss!